Alright, got about 30 minutes till it gets dark. We're at the top of Munds Wagon here in Sedona. Very long climb. Freaking soaked. It rained. I didn't get wet because it rained, but I'm wet because the humidity is ridiculous. Look at this. Soaked. It's alright though. We are ready to go, apparently. And a bunch of this will be overgrown. Should have brought long sleeves. It's all good. It's a beautiful trail though. It's wet, so I gotta be careful because I do not have the same grip. Pretty bumpy, not gonna lie. Careful, kind of slick. Oh, that was tight. Oh, man, it's a beautiful day. Whoa, beautiful day. If the humidity wasn't so high, it would be absolutely perfect. We're pretty close to being perfect, but hey, you don't always need 10s. Sometimes you can deal with 8s, 7s, 6s for days, you know. Whoops. Apparently we're going this way. Oh, humidity makes it hard to breathe, don't it? I forgot which way we're going. Whoa, got a rim there. Crawl right down. Oh shit. It's bumpy. Jeez. Watch your toes. Definitely break a foot going through here like that. Easy. If you're not careful. Oh shit. Alright. Alright, we're good. Oh, nice little arm pump. Could have let a little pressure out of the front fork when and bottomed her out. Apparently not the back neither. No wonder. It's all good. What are we, 6 minutes in? Got 25 minutes till dark. We're on a rush. Oh shit! About took my head off. It's only my second time on this trail, so bear with me. My line choice gets really weird. Okay, see? I forgot it was this way. Where clip-in pedals would be nice. Oh, which way? Which way? This way? Let's see. I think it's this way. Yeah. All right. Where the hell I'm going, apparently. Yeah, this is not smooth by any means. Yeah, I think I missed my turn again. Oh man, rookie. Just trying to get to the truck before it gets dark. Alright. Oh shit, oh shit. Hold on. If I remember right, to run through a bunch of bushes this way. I hope not. This shit pissed me off earlier. I ain't gonna lie. I came through here and There's so many bushes. Oh, yeah, this is it. There's a bunch of bushes up here. Damn it, man. They're weeds. Oh, good. Maybe we get back up to the road again. There's a cliff. Oh, jeez. Okay, a bunch of bushes that way. So we're gonna get back up on the road. It's like a bunch of weeds took over the trail, so. So if you don't want to just see Schneebly Hill Road, which is a pretty cool road, then that's all the trail. But it's pretty cool too, right?